Good evening, everyone. As the father of bride, today is a mix of pride. Joy has just a little bit of a heart. You see, Isa isn't just a daughter. She is my only kakampi at home. And now, I'm officially left with two kontrabida. You know who you are. Today, I'm not losing a daughter. I'm gaining as a son, Mateo. The only son for now. Hope not another one too soon.
They're like, don't get pregnant.
He's not sleeping today, so happy and so
That's
loud.
rude.
And I know exactly where you meant to be. They praise the God to Isa and Matthew. May your love be strong and your teamwork always sing. Cheers.
Cheers.
Tagay.
Charles.
Let's go.
Shot puno.
I'm not all. So, good evening everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Anna Marie,
Thank you.
the proud mother of the bride. And today I stand here overflowing with emotion. Because my beautiful, smart, fearless daughter Isabel is now Mrs. Reyes. Let me tell you a short story about Isa, our panganay from the province, raised from the province, has always been independent. So independent that in fact, she taught herself how to swim. No lessons, just water, determination, and probably a few cups from me on the side. And adventurous, this is the girl who climbs mango trees, eat beetles like potato chips. Yes, you heard it right. Beetles. She was also the neighborhood dog. I remember how she disappeared from an hour or two, hopping from house to house like a visiting celebrity. And when she came back, she had a brand new song memorized. Do you know the song Bahay Kubo?
Yes.
Bahay Kubo, that's the first Filipino songs that we learned at school actually. Isa memorized that song at the age of 2. She's a great singer and a dancer when she's a kid. She's still a nice singing voice now. Dance moves, and that's short about that. And yet she remained independent and responsible daughter to us. She's full of energy and completely herself. And that's what makes her so special. Then came Matthew, a kid who grew up in a city, kind, steady, and clearly very brave. You know what I mean? Facing the strict and old-fashioned Okay. I still remember the first time I met Matthew. He looked at me and gave me the sweetest smile, saying, "Hi, Tita." And I thought to myself, oh, so that's why Isa fell in love with him. That sweet smile. We are so young then. Fast forward after 11 years, we are all here celebrating your love. I want to sincerely thank both Isa and Matthew for the love and effort they put into two families, making sure everyone felt included, even before today. I mean, the Reyes runners' travels and eating outs. On behalf of the Villanueva Ramirez family, We warmly welcome not only Matthew, but the entire Semira Reyes family into our lives and our hearts. This isn't just a union of two people, it's a joyful union of two beautiful families. And to our friends and family here in Canada and all around the world, thank you for the love, the laughs, the support, and for being part of this unforgettable day. Whether you travel far or join us in spirit, your presence means the world to us. Cheers to your marriage and future adventures, and we love you both.